Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you to a beautiful bun hairstyle that's perfect for formalization, special events or simply when you want to elevate your everyday look. To begin, divide the hair into two sections, a top section and a bottom section. Secure the bottom section into a ponytail at the nape of the neck using a hair elastic. Next, take the top section and either create a Dutch braid or a simple twist, depending on your preference. This step adds both texture and volume to the final hairstyle. Once braided or twisted, gently pull at the hair to loosen it slightly and create a fuller, more voluminous effect. Now, gather all the hair, both the top and bottom sections, into one ponytail. Place a hair donut bun maker at the base to help shape the bun. Then wrap the length of the ponytail around the donut, tucking and securing it in place with bobby pin. For a finishing touch, add 3 rose hair accessories evenly spaced around the bun and accentuate the look further with a few beaded hairpins to bring in a touch of elegance and sparkle. This hairstyle is simple yet sophisticated, making it easy to match your outfit or your mood. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more styling tutorials. Stay creative and I'll see you in the next video.